Hey kids! Today, we're going to draw a super cute boba drink with bunny ears. Grab your black marker and let's start drawing.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Start by drawing a big rectangle for the boba cup. Draw another smaller rectangle on top of the cup. Above the lid, draw a half circle for the bunny's head. Draw 2 long ears on top of the head. Draw 2 big round eyes. Add a tiny heart-shaped nose and a small smiling mouth.
La da 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 dee.
Draw some short lines on each side of the bunny's face. Draw small circles inside the cup to make yummy boba pearls. Draw tiny heart shapes floating around the cup. Nice job, everyone! Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Doesn't it look amazing?
Yay!
Let's bring our boba drink to life with bright colors. Red color.
Wow!
Purple color. Yellow color. Blue color. Pink color. Light purple color.
La da 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 dee.
You did a fantastic job! If you loved drawing with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art videos. See you next time, little artists! Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.